Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17 on AlmaLinux OS. First, open any web browser, go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. Hit enter. See here, on 26 September 2024, PostgreSQL 17 is released. And see, PostgreSQL is the most popular advanced open source relational database. Click on download, then select Linux, then select Red Hat, Rocky or AlmaLinux. Click on here. See, the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on RHEL, Rocky Linux, AlmaLinux, CentOS, Oracle Linux and Fedora. So select the version. See here we have the versions from 12 to 17. So latest one is 17. So select latest one, then select the platform. See, we can install on these versions. So if you are on AlmaLinux 8, you have to select 8. If you are on AlmaLinux OS 9, you have to select this one. If you select this one, it will populate the commands to install the PostgreSQL 17 on AlmaLinux. Select it. These are the commands needs to be executed to install the PostgreSQL 17 on AlmaLinux OS. Okay. We can verify the version of AlmaLinux version by going to activities, open terminal, more/etc os-release. Hit enter. See, I am on AlmaLinux OS 9. So I have selected the 9. If you are on 8, you have to select 8. Okay. So Control L. Now we have to run these commands one by one. So copy the first one, that is to import the repository RPM. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. It is done. Now disable the inbuilt PostgreSQL module by copying this command. Copy, paste it, hit enter. Now install PostgreSQL 17. Sudo dnf install, use dnfr m, then give the PostgreSQL 17-server. Control L. See, if we give 17, it will install 17. If you want to install 16, give 16. If you want to install 15, give the 15 here. Okay, I want to install latest one, so give the PostgreSQL 17-server and hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17 server and these dependencies. Okay, type and hit enter. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL 17. Now, optionally initialize the database by running this command. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now verify the status of PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17, hit enter. See, PostgreSQL service is not started and it is disabled. So let us start and enable. First start it, sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17, hit enter. It is started. Now enable it. Sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL 17.service. Hit enter. It is done. Now verify the status of PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL service is active and running and it is enabled. Okay, Qt control click. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, the version here 17. This is PSQL client version, not the PostgreSQL server version. So to verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17 on this machine. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. Sudo first verify list of users /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is super user. So use the command alter username Postgres with password, provide the password, close, hit enter. See, we have successfully set the password for Postgres user. Now verify the list of the databases. See, these are the default databases comes with the installation of PostgreSQL on AlmaLinux OS. So let us create a database. Now verify again. See, new database articles is added, and this is the owner, and these are the properties of the database. Control L to clear screen. Now let us switch to new database by using \c or connect. Both are same. So provide the database name. See, you are now connected to database articles as user Postgres. Also see here, database name has been changed. Now create a table in this database. Before that, verify list of tables. See, didn't find any relations. Okay. So create table is created, verify. See, table student is created in public schema. Let us verify list of schemas. See, I have only one schema, that is public. Okay, and this is the owner information. Okay, now insert some data into this table. Insert. Now I am giving same snum. It will throw error. Why? I will show you. See, here I define this column as primary key. If any column is defined with primary key, it won't allow duplicate values. So that's why it has thrown the error. Duplicate key value violates unique constraint. Okay. So give the unique value for the primary key column. Hit enter. See. Now verify data. Control L. Select star from student. See, this is the data that we have inserted. But see here, if you give star means it retrieved all column values. But if you want only specific columns, you have to give column names like this. If you want only sname column, just give sname from table name. See, we got the only that particular column values. Control L. Let us create a user. Du create user. We have created a user. Now verify. See, we have 2 users. Now we will see how to find this PostgreSQL configuration file location. So config _file. See, this is the configuration file, that is PostgreSQL.conf file, which is having PostgreSQL Server configuration information. And if you want to verify the HBA file information, give HBA _file. See, this is the HBA file. HBA means host-based authentication file. Until now, we have performed the actions by using PSQL client. If you want to exit from this PSQL, give the \q. Now connect to PostgreSQL with this new user. PSQL -h, then provide the host name or IP of the host where we have installed PostgreSQL Server. I have installed PostgreSQL on this local host. Then -u, then provide, u must be caps, then provide username, then provide the database name, then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected with the user James. Let us verify. Select current user. See, I have connected with James user. Now try to create a table in this database. Create. See, permission denied for the schema public for this user, because this user doesn't have any privileges to create or update on this database. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL service AlmaLinux OS. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL 17, hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service is stopped. You have to quit, Ctrl L. Now connect to PostgreSQL. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo. We can't start with Postgres user. So exit. Now verify the status again. See, PostgreSQL service started. Now we will see how to restart the PostgreSQL server. Just replace this start with restart. Okay, verify again. See, we have started PostgreSQL service 3 seconds ago. Q, Ctrl L. Until now, we have connected to PostgreSQL by using PSQL client. But we can also connect PostgreSQL by using Pgadmin and DBA. You can search my YouTube channel to install Pgadmin and DBA on AlmaLinux OS. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17 on AlmaLinux OS. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.